In all the years of your life, why did no one tell you that if you take a tub of yogurt, add salt, and then add it in a cheesecloth, strain it for at least a day, you would have made the healthiest cream cheese ever? I bet you didn't know that if you take your favorite smoked salmon, place it in the air fryer, and cook it, you would have made the crispiest smoked salmon jerky or even salmon bacon that you can enjoy with breakfast or any other way. Follow me for more. If you add a cup of cottage cheese with a drizzle of olive oil and 7 eggs to a baking dish, something magical happens. You bake it, mix it all together, and you have the creamiest high-protein breakfast that you can enjoy on sandwiches or wraps. Follow for more. These 4-ingredient breakfast bagels are on repeat. Let's go. Add oil to a piece of parchment paper, cut that bagel in half, place it down, add a piece of bell pepper, any cheese of choice. Crack in 1 egg and add a touch of salt. Air fry until set and follow for more. Why did no one tell you that you can make the healthiest high-protein Dutch baby in less than few minutes? All you need is a few simple ingredients. You add that to a blender, blend it, then preheat that ghee in a nice pan, add in the blueberries, your batter, and then just let it puff up in the oven. Follow for more. Let me put you onto something. 1 ingredient, 200 calories for the whole bowl, and 30 grams of protein. Let's go. And all you need to do is beat egg whites until stiff peaks. I also add vanilla. Add that to a greased muffin pan and then bake until nice and fluffy. Enjoy and follow for more. This is the recipe for you if you want to make the healthiest 5-ingredient lemon ricotta pancakes with 30 grams of protein. Add the eggs, ricotta, lemon zest, pure lemon extract, oat flour, and salt. Process, cook them on the stove as usual, and follow for more. If you have 1 banana left over and a few minutes to spare, you can make the healthiest breakfast cookies. All you need is 1 ripe banana, peanut butter, rolled oats, and any nuts and seeds. Add a pinch of salt, roll into cookies, gently press them down, and add chocolate chips. Bake, enjoy, and follow for more. Why are you not making Egg McMuffins at home? You can freeze them for up to a month and they're so much better. Let's go. I bake my bacon as there's no mess or cleanup at all. In the meantime, I cook the egg, add cheddar cheese on top, take it off the heat. Add a toasted English muffin and assemble. Enjoy and follow for more. Let me put you onto something. Breakfast, lunch, or a snack. These are my healthy egg sandwiches. Let's go. Boil and peel the eggs, cut it in half, add a little bit of spicy mayo to each half, lettuce, turkey, and avocado. Add the tops on top, everything but the bagel seasoning. Enjoy and follow for more. If you only have half a cup of pumpkin puree and 5 minutes to spare, you can make the healthiest breakfast muffins. Let's go. To a bowl, add the pumpkin puree, egg, maple syrup, pure vanilla, oat flour, and baking powder. Stir, pour it into a lined muffin tin, add some chocolate chips on top, and bake. Enjoy and follow for more. This is what I call set it and forget it, my 2-ingredient steel-cut overnight oatmeal. To a pot, add the water and salt, bring that to a simmer, add the steel-cut oats, and boil for just 1 minute. Take it off the heat, put a lid on, and set it and forget it overnight. Wake up in the morning to the creamiest, dreamiest steel-cut oatmeal. Follow for more. My mom and I have lost over 70 pounds collectively, and these are my healthier, low-carb Pop-Tarts. And all you need is rice paper, a little bit of jam, 1 small healthier shortbread cookie, and then blueberries. Wrap it up, brush with a little bit of egg wash, and air fry until crispy. Dust with powdered sugar, and follow for more. Did you know that Princess Diana ate these secret ingredient overnight oats every single day? And she said she was in the best shape of her life. And all you need is oats and secret ingredient orange juice. Let it sit for a minimum of 4 hours. Add in the yogurt, honey, cinnamon, lemon juice, grated apple, and blueberries. Serve, enjoy, and don't forget to follow me for more. Did you know that if you add pumpkin puree to a bowl with maple syrup, pumpkin pie spice, and self-rising flour, you can mix it, divide into 10 equal pieces, roll each one, and air fry until golden. You can now make the pumpkin spice sugar, oil, and roll each one into the sugar, and you would have just made healthier 4-ingredient pumpkin spice donut holes. Follow for more. This is your sign to try my healthier pumpkin pie overnight oats. Let's go. Add oats to a mason jar, pinch of salt, pumpkin pie spice, pumpkin puree, yogurt, and maple syrup or honey. Give it a stir, add some water, stir again, and refrigerate. Once it's set, mix yogurt, maple syrup, pumpkin pie spice, and pumpkin puree. Add it on top. Touch of whipped cream is optional, and follow for more. Everyone makes the same mistakes when cooking eggs. Stop making these mistakes and make over medium eggs like a chef. Let's go. In a pan on medium-low heat, heat up a little bit of oil or butter, gently crack in the eggs and let the white cook on the outside. Place a spatula underneath each one, gently flipping it over and cooking it until the white is fully cooked, but the yolk is still runny. Follow for more. I can eat this healthy, high-protein breakfast casserole every single day. I saute my ground meat of choice with onions until golden, set it aside, let it cool completely. In a separate bowl, add the eggs, cottage cheese, pinch of salt, give it a mix. Add in the cooled ground meat, chives, parmigiano reggiano, flour, and baking powder. Give it a mix, pour it into a baking dish, bake, enjoy, and follow for more. You need to stop making boring old pancakes. Make pancake spaghetti instead. Let's go. Mix the dry ingredients into a bowl, give it a stir, mix the wet ingredients in a separate bowl, and combine them together. Pour the batter into a squeeze bottle or a Ziploc bag, cut a little bit off of one corner, and pipe into a hot pan. Cook the pancake strands until golden on one side, flip over for a few seconds, enjoy, and follow for more. Although content creators have been showing chia pudding recipes for years, word on the street is this is what Kim K enjoys. Let's go. Chia seeds to a bowl. That's 15 grams of fiber, unsweetened cocoa or cacao, and as much sweetener as you like. Give it a mix. Add any milk of choice. I'm using almond milk. Stir. Wait 15 minutes and stir it again. Refrigerate until it looks like pudding. Enjoy and follow for more. If you have one banana left over, you can make healthier 2-ingredient donut holes. Let's go. Mash one ripe banana, add self-rising flour, mix it, and then switch over to your hands. Divide into 7 equal pieces, oil up your hands, and roll each one into a ball. Now you can add them to your air fryer basket and cook until golden. Brush with a little more oil, coat with cinnamon sugar, and follow me for more. Everyone needs tiramisu overnight oats. Creamy, frothy, delicious. Let's go. Start by adding all of the ingredients to a mason jar or even a bowl. You could use brewed coffee or espresso. It's up to you. Give everything a good stir and refrigerate for 4 hours to overnight. I'm adding a touch of yogurt. You could also use coconut whipped cream, cocoa or cacao on top. Enjoy and follow for more. I can eat this every single day. This is my healthiest 10-minute breakfast. Let's go. Dice one small yellow potato into the tiniest cubes. Add a little bit of oil, onions, the potatoes, pinch of salt. Saute them and cover them until cooked. Remove them. In that same skillet, scramble the eggs, add a little pinch of salt. Remove the eggs, add a touch of butter, saute the baby spinach. Plate it all together, enjoy, and follow for more. I love these at Starbucks, but they have over 20 ingredients. Let me show you my take on them, which is healthier and only 6. Let's go. Start by adding the first 4 ingredients to a blender and blend for 30 seconds. Add some bell peppers and spinach to a silicone muffin tin. Pour in the batter and gently stir. Transfer it into your preheated oven and add boiling hot water to the halfway mark. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes without opening the oven door or until set. Enjoy and follow for more. You are missing out if you're not making my healthiest homemade granola on top of whipped cottage cheese and hot honey. Let's go. To a big bowl, add the oats, nuts and seeds, cinnamon and salt. Give it a mix. Add the avocado oil, maple syrup, and mix again. Pour it onto a lined baking sheet and bake. Let it cool for a minimum of 45 minutes. Serve on top of whipped cottage cheese with hot honey on top. Follow for more. If you have a cup of blueberries left over and a few minutes to spare, you can make the healthiest breakfast muffins. Let's go. To a bowl, add the eggs, pure vanilla extract, almond milk, avocado oil, and maple syrup. Give that a whisk. Add in the almond flour and baking soda. Mix again, add in the fresh blueberries, and fold them in. Add muffin liners to your muffin tin, scoop the batter in, bake, enjoy, and don't forget, follow for more. My mom and I have lost over 70 pounds collectively, and this is my healthiest low-carb, crispy rice paper apple pie. And all you need is diced apples, cinnamon, and water. Cook that down for 10 minutes until the water evaporates. Add in coconut sugar and walnuts. Now dip 3 pieces of rice paper into water, overlap each one, and then add in your apple pie filling. Roll it up and roll into a coil. Brush with butter, add a touch more sugar, air fry until crispy, and follow for more. You are missing out if you're not making my crispy and healthy, low-carb rice paper apple pies. All you need to do is mix diced apples, cinnamon, and water, and my favorite, all-natural Rogers Lantic table syrup, which is not made with any high-fructose corn syrup at all. Cook these 3 ingredients down, and then mix cornstarch at the end to make it nice and jammy. Now you can mix the milk and egg, dip in your rice paper, add the filling inside, and roll it up. Air fry until nice and crispy, and follow for more. If you have 1 banana left over and a few minutes to spare, you can make the healthiest chocolate breakfast muffins. Let's go. Mash 1 very ripe banana, add an egg, mix, pure vanilla extract, and all natural hazelnut spread. If you don't have hazelnut spread, use any nut or seed butter instead. Mix it, add the dry ingredients, and mix again. Scoop the batter into a lined muffin tin, give it a tap, and bake. Let them cool completely, add extra hazelnut spread on top or any toppings of choice. Follow for more. If you come over for breakfast, I'm making you 15-minute Turkish eggs with paprika butter and feta on top. Mix the yogurt with garlic and salt and set it aside. I like to crack each egg through a fine mesh strainer so we can separate the loose egg whites. Now we're going to poach the eggs, but feel free to fry them as well. Set them aside and work on the butter. I like to brown the butter with paprika and chili flakes, but feel free to use Aleppo pepper as well. Add the poached eggs on top of the yogurt, the buttery sauce on top, and feta. Dip with crusty bread and follow for more.